Hey guys, my name is Max and welcome to my movie channel. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing two movies that I ordered. One of them I ordered a long time ago. This is actually a pre-order that arrived incredibly late. So you guys probably remember a month ago I had ordered this film from Amazon. They said that they sent it, but it was lost in the mail or something. So I ordered the replacement. This is the replacement, an Unearthed Films release of Torched. Really looking forward to this one. Apparently, it's in the same vein as the I Spit on Your Grave type films. But of course, it's done by Unearthed Films, so it's going to be pretty sick. Looking forward to watching this one. See, it's got a runtime of just 44 minutes. That's actually surprisingly low. Um, so I'm expecting a pretty fast pace in this movie. And yeah, looking forward to it. A film by Ryan Nicholson. Uh, yeah, looking forward to it. So Torch review to follow on that one. And this is one I picked up from eBay. This is actually a DVD R. It's not an actual DVD release because the actual DVD is quite expensive, and that's if you can find it. But this here is a film from 1960 something. Oh, I gotta be really careful. Okay, hold on one second. Black and white film, a Japanese film. And let me see here. Oh, I like it when they give a little notification. Okay, whoa, cannot show you the cover. Okay, how do I cover this up? It is Violated Angels. This is a film by Koji Wakamatsu. Okay, right here. Now, basically, this film. Oh, forgot to mention the other film. I already told you. It's been a long day. So this film is basically inspired by a real life case that actually happened, where a man um, broke into a nursing school that was filled with young women, and he actually, unfortunately, assaulted in a sexual nature and murdered a lot of girls all at once. The other side of this is, this is a black and white film, 1967, I think. Could be wrong about that date. It doesn't really tell me. Um, yeah, the front. Oops. Yeah, of the box is just 8 people, 8 girls pretty much gone. Um, yeah, I don't know. I wanted to see this one because it was based on an actual thing that really happened in the United States. Also, Koji Wakamatsu, apparently a really big name. This is the first film I've ever seen of his that I will actually be watching of his. He also made several other films that I'm actually in the process of figuring out which one I want to see and which one I want to watch next and order next. I did actually order another one of his films from eBay. It was like $9, and still waiting for that to come in. The good news is that I ordered it in the sellers in my state, so it should get here quick. The bad news is I bought it on December 30th, and he still hasn't sent it out. So hopefully it comes soon. But anyways, yeah, guys, Violated Angels, based on a true actual event. Unfortunately, this actually happened. Uh, Sorry. Let's see. Here's the spine right here. It's in Japanese, and yeah, it's English subtitles. You can turn them on and turn them off. So basically, that's pretty much it. Just a really quick unboxing video. Torched by Unearthed Films, Ryan Nicholson film. Again, in the same vein of I Spit on Your Grave. Looking forward to seeing that. That has a runtime of about 44 minutes. Violated Angels, Koji Wakamatsu. Not sure of the runtime. This is black and white, based on a true story, made in 1967, I think, something like that. Could be wrong about the date, but yeah. Expect reviews on both of these films coming out relatively soon. Looking forward to watching both of them, and I'm looking forward to bringing you another DVD update, DVD Blu-ray update, probably in a week or so, as soon as I get the other videos, I mean the other movies in the mail. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for the reviews of these films. I'll let you know how they are, and I'll see you next time.